So I want to take a few minutes, guys, and show you what a surgical video system looks like at a world-class facility. Today we're in Dallas at Dr. Randy Sanovich's office. You're going to see it's a fantastic facility with great people, and now they've got a great surgical video camera. Let's take a look. Come on in, this is Dallas Surgical Arts. So here we have a basic setup for both oral surgeons and periodontists. In the case of Dr. Sanovich, he's a cosmetic surgeon, but you have an auto-clutching arm that supports the camera and a pan tilt head. So basically, once you put the camera into position, you don't have to touch it again. You can make all your fine-tune adjustments with a remote control, and it automatically adjusts iris and focus. Super easy. One touch to start recording, one touch to stop recording. Super easy. And we have a supplemental light up on top. This has like 5,200 lumens. LED, doesn't get hot. Works really well and causes the video to have really, really nice color contrast between the soft tissue and the enamel of the teeth and so forth. So this is just basically an auto-clutching system that is easy to position and use. So I just want to show you that.